Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. You guys, all right, so today we're gonna set up. I have to be quick, okay, because I was running up the stairs. My husband's gonna be home in like 30 minutes and we have to leave as soon as he comes home. We have a couple of errands to run, so I think I'm only gonna have time, you guys, to set up my A5 dashboard for the month of June. So on my community post on my community feed, no, my community what? I can't remember. Okay, I posted and I asked you guys which kit should I use for the month of June, and all of you guys voted for the yellow one. So we're gonna do the yellow awesome sauce, and here is my beautiful planner. I am loving this planner, you guys. I am loving this. And as soon as I get something from the Erin Condren website, we're gonna set up the month of July, okay, so I can set everything up. But today we're going to use this kit. This is from Elisa Ravell, and they have an Etsy shop. It's a mom and daughter team. They have a beautiful shop, and this is kit 62B. Okay, so this is for the Daily Duo A5. So let's see. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, here it is. I was like, where is the thing? Where is it? Where is it? Because you know what? I Frankenplanned this. This is not even like a real planner, you guys. This is, let me show you. If I didn't show you before, if you haven't seen, it's the Daily Focus Journal. They came in one of the boxes last year, in 2021. But I Frankenplanned this and I'm loving this. I'm working on it every single day. So let's get our little dashboard together. Take a look at this beautiful thing. I'm telling you, they have such beautiful things. So let's try this first. And like I told you before, I am new to this plan with me situation because I was a happy planner for a long time. But now I am not. So look how beautiful this is. I love it. Let me get my tweezers here. There you go, just in case I need them. But oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's gonna cover that. That's fine. I think I'm crooked. No, I'm a little crooked, you guys. Now we're gonna do little headers. What color should we use? This one or this one? Okay, we're gonna use this one here. So cute. And please excuse my placement. It's not perfect, okay? All right, so now we have little dots, and we also have little check boxes. So I'm gonna add the check boxes here. You know what? I think I'm going to add this up a little bit. Why don't we add this a little bit higher? Like right there. Okay. I'm loving these kits, you guys. They're so easy to work with. There we go. Oh my gosh, I'm so crooked. Okay, so if you're looking for like perfect spreads, you guys, yeah, no, that's not gonna happen. I cannot, no, I'm not perfect. So these check boxes are so little. There you go. I am crooked. All right, now the the dots right here, let's do, because you all wanted the yellow, so let's do yellow, more yellow than the green. Thank you so much for all of you guys that voted for what kit to use. I could not decide myself because I wanted all of them. And yeah, you helped me out. I was like, okay, this is what you guys want. This is what we're gonna do, okay? So let's see. We are gonna do birthdays here. Okay, no, I have a lot of birthdays in June, so I'm gonna do birthdays here. And let's do, why don't we do this little flag over here? Yeah. No, let's do, oops. Let's do this flag. That's what I meant to do. So I have exciting news. I'm gonna have a code for you guys, and you can go ahead and shop at Elisa Ravell on Etsy. I'll leave you all of the information below, and both in the information box and also in one of the comments, okay? I'll pin it. So here, because we have all of this, what are we gonna do with this guy right here? What are we gonna do? Let me see, let me think. I don't mind the rose actually. You know what? I'm not gonna cover the rose. We're gonna leave it. Let's add some of this little star thingies here. Asterisks. So there you go. Here. I have a lot of birthdays in June. And it's my baby's birthday in June too, so. My daughter's not a baby. My daughter is 18, so almost 19. But I still call her baby. All right, so now let's add the June month over here. I kind of want to add it here. It's so tiny, tiny, tiny. We're gonna add you here because you're cute little June. There we go. Now for this right here, okay, let me see what we have here. We have projects. Yes, perfect. And what I did last month, you guys, is I left this open. I didn't write anything last month actually, or for the month of May. I did birthdays here because I only had like 4, and then I did home projects here. So that's what I want for this month again. Projects there. And you know what, let's add a little, let me see, no, right here. There you go. Projects. And then we're gonna do goals here. Oh, no, not goals. We're gonna do habits here. I love these little stickers, so nice. And we'll do that here. So let's add a little something. Let's add a little dot. So I'm just gonna add it here and here. Okay. Also, don't forget over here. Okay, and we're gonna do this yellow because I don't know exactly what we're gonna do here. There you go. Don't forget. That is looking great. Great. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to move this over. I think it's too many little squares. Check boxes. Because you know what? I was thinking I didn't leave any space for writing. Yeah. white space. There you go. That's good. All right. I actually, we did all but one project for the month of May, so that worked out really, really nicely. Okay, you guys, so I think that's it. Look how pretty this is. Love it. Okay, so I have washi here. I don't think I need it. I'm happy with how this looks, and it's exactly what I need to prepare for the month. Okay, so now let me go over the monthly here and see what we have. Let's do some paydays here. Let me see. I got paid on the 26th. Okay, so the 26th is payday. So now 26, so the 9th I'm getting paid. So 9 here. And then the 23rd. And let me get a payday sticker. So I'm just gonna use this payday stickers from Casey Lake Design, who is on Etsy as well. I'm just loving all of the Etsy shops, you know. It's such a good feeling to you know, watch someone who has their own business and you see them grow and you see them, you know, they struggle too, because I bet it's a lot of work. I don't know, because I don't have a shop, but I'm just, by looking at their work and all of their kits and everything they create, I bet it's a lot of work. But I just love it. I just love the fact that they're small business owners and they're, you know, just working hard. And so these stickers are from Elisa Ravell also. And we are gonna do a cupcake. This would be cute, right? Or this butterfly one. Oh, this butterfly one. Let's do birthday here. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do it down here. Okay, that's good. I totally forgot the other birthdays. I know I have 3 for sure. Anyways, they're like all of them on the same week. Father's Day is this day right here. So we are going to, oh yes, the other birthdays here. Okay, so I have birthday here, plus this is Father's Day. So let's do, I want to add too many stickers because I need space to write. This is for work too, you know. So yeah. Okay, why don't we do this right here? Why don't we add this here? And okay, and we're just gonna do little boxes here, just a couple for now, and the more I need boxes, the more we're gonna add them here. Okay, so I want to do a yellow first. There we go. Let's do one more yellow. There we go. Okay, so just 3 for now, and we're gonna do important for events. Let's do to-dos. Okay, that's good. Oh, I have washi. Why don't we use the washi? Let's see. This one will go down here, and this one will go down here. Can I get 2 off of this? No. Okay, so we're gonna have to use different washi. Okay, this one here. cute. And why don't we add this one here, you guys, right here. And let's do important right here. Awesome. Oh, the check marks now. Let's see. I think for Father's Day, I'm gonna use, oh, you know what, a coffee cup, because my husband drinks so much coffee. So we are gonna use a coffee cup. Oh, well, no, this is to St. Patrick's Day. This green one. Yeah. There you go. All right, so that's gonna mark the other birthday. So birthday. I have another birthday here, but I totally forgot. And Father's Day. And you can find this at Elisa Ravell's website also, which are super cute. And I think for now, you guys, I am set. And like I was telling you, this kit is kit 62B, and it's for the A5 dashboard daily duo. Let's do habit trackers here. Let's do health first. Let's do walk. Okay, because I need to get a little bit of exercise somewhere there. I know. And okay, so those are gonna be, I'm gonna focus for June, I'm gonna focus on those 3 healthier or health related habits. And then let's do YouTube, and IG. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, friends, I have to go because there's like crazy noise outside. And yeah, I'm happy with this. This is just the starting of my setup for June. All right, so here's the June dashboard and my June monthly. I have to come back and fill this out, but for now it's set up. I have my stickies and I am happy. I still have some left over. I think I'm just gonna cut it here and save it. Oh no, I have washi. Okay, never mind. No, because I'm gonna use this for my monthly here, so I can note the trips that we're gonna take and whatever. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and like always, I'll see you on the next one.